Good morning and welcome to Travels with the Russells. And today Julia and I are in Milna on Brac Island in Croatia. So we're going to have a little wander around. If you'd like to join us, please do. See you in a minute. So here we are down at the harbour on the front. Quite a quiet place, as you can see. Lots of little boats. Evidently there's a high-speed catamaran from here to Split. A renovation project if anybody's interested, and some in this process of being renovated. A well-used children's playground. May well be. So here again on the harbour front area is pedestrianised, no traffic is allowed, which means of course you get motorbikes and all sorts coming in. Little gift shops, some which are open, some which are not. Church there. Again, another renovation project. There's no roof on this one. And the church. With the steeple and the bells behind. Potential there if you want to buy one of these.
I think it'll take us longer than you thought.
If anybody's interested in a renovation, if Alan Carr or Amanda Holden want to come and have a go. This is only a step back from the harbour, so it's just a street back. As you see, quiet, nobody about. Some of these buildings date back to the 17th and even the 16th century. High Italian influence. down to the harbour with its little bars and restaurants. Doesn't feel that touristy.
No, it's not at all actually.
There is no Burger King, McDonald's or KFC here. We've got lots of little places like this. Could do a practice.
Cheese? Sorry, I've got no bread.
Cash machine. There you go, if you need one. There it is, cash machine. And when you're looking for one, oh, two come along. So as you often get, oh, another bank machine right behind me, that's three. Whether they charge or not, I really don't know. Although this is pedestrianised, clearly work vehicles and things like that are allowed in here, so still don't expect it to be completely free of traffic. Another little bar that's open on an evening, I would guess. Another for my collection of manhole covers from around the world. Mm-hmm. So if you're staying at the Gava Waterman Resort, this is about to Milna, is about a 30-minute stroll, 40 minutes if you stroll very slowly. But it's a little bit hilly at parts. To get into Milna it's quite hilly, well certainly to get out. Going down's okay, going up a bit of a problem. So if you're less able, then you might need to think about that. Boat going out there. You can see there everything built up into the hillside, so a lot of steps to get anywhere. There are some little mini supermarket stroke kiosk shops on the harbour here. There are a couple. We're on the front here where we walked on the second row, or the first row back, away from the front, the back streets, coming back on the front here. See little bars and restaurants. Again, highly Italian influence because everything seems to be pizza. Okay, got a nice gelato ice cream stand. And again, more restaurants, and there's three in these little supermarkets. So the place you'd come to book boat tours, water taxi. Oh yes, and they've got a bank machine. You've got your bus timetables and your boat timetables. You can always photograph that. That's current. So midday, 12 o'clock. So that's our little trip to Milna on Brac Island in Croatia. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like, please subscribe, it does help us out a lot. Thanks ever so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.